want to show you something briefly about Quant. If you have 30 seconds, then stay tuned, watch this video, and I will show you what I mean. It's very important. Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Do you remember my last video about Quant and my incredible painting skills? Like you see it here. If you don't believe me, go to my last video about Quant as I draw this uptrend like you see it here. So what is happening right now? Actually, you can see that from the point of this breakout, the price target was hit. I draw also this Fibonacci retracement level. It came exactly to the golden pocket and it got a rejection. So right now, if we look at the EMA ribbons and the moving average, it's on the edge of the EMA ribbons. I draw this one to the golden pocket, retest, maybe from the EMA ribbons, maybe also a little bit lower from this moving average here. And if Quant can break above this previous high, so that means that Quant need to break above the golden pocket, we can expect a pump to the 786 Fibonacci level. Then also maybe a retest from this red area here, what is actually exactly the golden pocket, and then another move to the upside to the next red area, the next resistance. So if you really don't believe me, go to my last Quant video. This is no fake. I already drew this in the last video a couple of days ago. So right now, you see, today Quant looks not so good. It's going down, but as I told you, we can expect a retest from the moving average, maybe from this neckline. The bearish scenarios, if this also will not hold, maybe Quant will find support in this green box here. That is a support box. That is actually the bearish scenario. So that would mean from the point right now, let's say max 40% downside. But if we will see a reversal to the upside, so there's a huge potential from the point where it's trading right now, let's say to the 7x6 Fibonacci level, 60% gain. And if Quant can break into this red resistance area here, then it's nearly 100% move to the upside possible. By the way, if you want to trade, check out my links in the description. You can trade this on BitGet. You will get there a huge bonus depending on your first initial deposit. There's a bonus up to $4,163. Also, you can trade this on Phoenix, on MEXC and OKX. Also, there you will get exclusively over $11,000 in bonus depending on your initial deposit. There are some requirements you have to do. So check out these links in the description. Also, if you haven't subscribed and signed up here for TradingView, you can also use my link in the description for TradingView. And if you haven't already joined the Nice Trading Bro community, subscribe right now, click on the notification bell. You will get a notification every time I upload a new video. And leave a like on this video. That would help me and this channel pretty much. Thank you very much for your help, for your support. I really love this. I really appreciate this. Thanks very much. And we see you in the next video. As always, you know it, this is no financial advice. Always do your own research and never ever trust anybody except yourself, because it's your money. Have a wonderful day. Namaste. Peace out. Bye bye.